removed 20 live worms from man's eyelid in China. A doctor in China removed 20 live worms from a man's eyelid and placed them in a clear container. The 60-year-old patient said he felt a sensation in his eye a few months ago, but left it unattended thinking it was due to tiredness. Upon medical examination, the doctor identified a cluster of tiny worms stuck under his right eyelid. India's COVID-19 tally crosses 80 lakh with 49,881 new cases. Recovery surpasses 73 lakh. The number of coronavirus cases in India has reached 80 lakh 40,203 as 49,881 people tested positive in the last 24 hours, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The COVID-19 death toll in the country has risen to 1 lakh 20,527, while 73 lakh 15,989 COVID-19 patients have been discharged. Out of the total cases, 6 lakh 3,687 are currently active. Marshall Islands reports its first COVID-19 cases. The Marshall Islands in the Pacific has confirmed its first cases of coronavirus after 2 people who flew from Hawaii to US military base tested positive. We can assure the public that these are strictly border cases and were discovered while these people were in quarantine, an official said. The official also urged people to remain calm. Oxford's COVID-19 vaccine could be ready by December, added Poonawalla. The Oxford coronavirus vaccine produced by Serum Institute could be ready by December, CEO Adir Poonawalla said. If we don't go for an emergency license, our trials should be over by December and then we can launch in India in January subject to the UK trials, which is on the verge of being completed, he added. 3,200 people booked for not wearing masks during Durga Puja in Kolkata. The Kolkata police booked at least 3,200 people for not wearing face masks during the 5-day Durga Puja festival, which starts on October 22. According to the police data, 731 people were booked on the first day, 595 on Saptami, 690 on Astami, 665 on Navami, and another 600 people on Vijay Dasami, the last day of the festival. Government extends price cap on domestic flight fares by 3 months. Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh on Thursday announced the extension of domestic airfares cap earlier announced till November 24 by 3 months. Flights are categorized under 7 sections depending upon flight duration ranging from under 40 minutes to 180 to 210 minutes. The base minimum airfare of flights ranges from 2,000 to 6,500 rupees and maximum ranges from 6,000 to 18,600 rupees. France imposes second nationwide lockdown to combat coronavirus. Addressing the nation on Wednesday, French President Emmanuel Macron announced a second nationwide lockdown starting Friday until the end of November. Under the new measures, people will only be allowed to leave their homes for essential work or medical reasons, he added. Most schools will remain open, but non-essential businesses like cafes, restaurants and bars will be closed. Taiwan marks 200 days without a single local COVID-19 infection. Taiwan reached 200 days without any domestically transmitted cases of COVID-19 on Thursday. Taiwan Centers for Disease Control, which is CDC, last reported a domestic COVID-19 infection case on April 12. Since the COVID-19 pandemic began, Taiwan has recorded 553 cases of COVID-19 and 7 deaths. Surya Kumar's old tweets calling Kohli God go viral after sledging incident. MI batsman Surya Kumar Yadav's old tweets on Virat Kohli have gone viral after the RCB captain sledged him in their IPL 2020 match. Several fans had raised the possibilities of bad blood between the duo after Surya Kumar was not picked for Team India. However, in the viral tweet, Surya Kumar can be seen praising Kohli, also calling him God. MIT's AI model detects asymptomatic patients via phone recording coughs. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology has developed a new artificial intelligence model that can detect asymptomatic COVID-19 patients through forced cough recordings submitted through mobile phones and laptops. It is currently working on incorporating the model into a user-friendly app which could be used as convenient non-invasive pre-screening tool if approved by the FDA. 1923, a jockey suffered a fatal heart attack but his horse finished and won the race, making him the first and only jockey to win a race after death. US dropped more than 2 million tons of bomb on Laos from 1964 to 1973 during the Vietnam War. That's equal to a plane load every 8 minutes for 9 years. After trick photography was developed in 1856, creating headless portraits became the trend that swept through the Victorian era. The first electric street light in Asia was literally on 5th August 1905 in Bangalore. Tata Group is the largest private sector employer in India. Tata Group companies employ more than 7 lakh people.